I recently facilitated a roll up your sleeves type of workshop with an executive team. It was a hybrid session with both Zoomers and Roomers working together. And from my reflection afterwards, I extracted what I see as the top 3 tips to facilitate effective workshops in a hybrid environment. I shared tip number 1 and tip number 2 in the previous episode of the Nimble Vlog, which I encourage you to watch. Also, it will provide the necessary context for the story in this episode, which is about tip number 3. For a successful hybrid workshop, it is absolutely critical to have a North Star for everyone involved. Facilitators, support team, Zoomers, and Roomers. As I started working on the design for the session, I kept the following objective top of mind. Zoomers feeling as if they are in the room with the Roomers, and vice versa. It became the North Star. So when we met with the client personnel to figure out all the logistics, I started by the meeting by sharing this North Star, and it guided all our discussion, all our creative problem solving. Then the evening just before the workshop, I felt compelled to send a note to the Zoomers, telling them about the North Star, explaining that it had been guiding all of our effort to prepare for the workshop. And I committed to them that I will focus on it, the North Star, throughout the session. But I also said that most likely there will be time where they don't really feel with us in the room. And whenever this was happening, I said that it was very important for them to alert us. This way we could do something about it. And we provided a couple of means to alert us in a way that they wouldn't feel awkward about it. At the start of the workshop, I talked about the North Star with everyone, the Zoomers and my AV partner once again, and for the first time, the Roomers. But I didn't realize the importance of this North Star, the power of it, until later. For example, at one point, I went to a flip chart to write down some instruction, and I completely forgot about the Zoomers. So I didn't ask my AV partner to come with me in front of the flip chart to broadcast from his smartphone whatever I was writing on it for the benefit of the Zoomers. So as I was writing on the flip chart, it occurred to me, and I thought, shoot, I need to tell him to come here. So I pivoted on my heels to talk to him, and he was right there. Guided by the North Star, he had anticipated the needs of the Zoomer. He had come behind me without me noticing with his smartphone and tripod, and he was already broadcasting for the benefits of the Zoomers. Beautiful. Later, I split the executive team into 2 sub-teams working on a dedicated section of the wall. So the first team was made up of all the Zoomers and some Roomers working on this section. And the second team was on the opposite side of the room, and it was made up only of Roomers. As I was floating around, I heard the Zoomers explaining to their team members in the first team that they could not really interact well with them because through the sound system in the room, they could actually overhear the folks in the second team. I turned to go to see the second team and talk to them about it. And I was shocked. They were not anymore in the room. I went outside and I found them in a little cafeteria just beside where we were. So what happened is that they overheard the complaint from the Zoomers, and guided by the North Star, unprompted, they decided to move outside the room. This way they could let the Zoomers do the work they were doing with the rest of team number 1 in the other side of the room. Clearly, everyone was in it together. They were adjusting things in a nimble way to ensure that the North Star was becoming a reality. Kudos to them. And in fact, as one of the Zoomers wrote in an email after the workshop, and I quote, "I really felt the intentional effort to include us made a huge difference. I felt part of the meeting." And she further explained that as a result, she and the other virtual participants felt accountable, which meant, and I quote again, being attentive, staying present, demonstrating flexibility, providing feedback, on how it's going, not getting frustrated, etc. In summary, and based on this experience, the top 3 tips I recommend to leaders and facilitators preparing for a hybrid workshop are: number 1, more time invested in design and logistics. Number 2, an IV partner who is creative, collaborative, and agile. And number 3, a North Star that promotes a we are all in this together mindset. And for the North Star, I recommend you use the same one we use, which was for the Zoomers to feel as if they are in the room with the Roomers and vice versa. Good luck with your upcoming workshops. Learn from each experience and keep raising your nimbleness.